Hey guys, and welcome back. This is part 3 of 3 dealing with our custom soundboard here. In the last tutorial, we finished the soundboard, got our buttons animated, able to be clicked, and hearing the corresponding sounds. Now what we're going to do is just add a little customization to it, throw a background image in there, as well as some text to personalize it and make it look like something you'd find on the web there. So what I've done in Photoshop is just created a selection around this picture here. Okay, I use the quick selection tool to do that. Alright, if you can't remember how to do that, I'll go ahead and post up a tutorial that helps you guys do that. But once you have your selection, I'm going to go ahead and choose Refine Edges. Okay, which gives you the options to make a better selection here. As you can see, it's not very smooth around my selection, so the higher I bring the smoothness, okay, the fewer flaws you'll be able to see. The feather will give it that glowing effect around the edges there. Okay, you can make it really extreme. I'm just going to use a little bit here. Okay, and you can just play around with the rest of these options here. Like I said, the video tutorial I'll post up will help you guys review with this as well. Now the last cool option we've got here is you can output it to just a selection, you can output it to a new layer or a new document altogether, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, and hit OK. You'll see it created a new document for me. It's got my selection. I'm going to go ahead and save this as soundboard pick. And I'm going to save it in my soundboard folder with the rest of the stuff. This is a PSD file. You can just keep it as that and hit save. Okay, then I'm going to flip back over to Flash, get rid of my live preview here, and work back in our Flash document. I'm going to go ahead and do a File, Import, Import to Library. I'm going to choose the soundboard pick, open it. Okay, layers to import. Yes, I want to convert them to Flash layers. Fantastic. Now you can see I've got them in my library here. And the next thing I'm going to do here, which I actually already did, create a new layer here, okay, and name it BG. This is going to be the background layer, so we're not fooling with our layer here that's got our soundboard stuff on that. Okay, so background layer, and what I'm going to do here on the background layer, or layer 2 rather, so I'm going to drag soundboard pick.psd onto the stage here. Okay, and I'm actually going to, using the free transform tool, hold down the shift key and just make it small enough so I can put it at the bottom of the screen here, okay, and get a good effect there. Okay, and I'm also going to go ahead and add some text with the text tool. Click right over here. Keener's Brilliant Quotes. Okay, you can go to the properties, align it, and that's under the paragraph section if you need to. Okay, you can change the size again. Alright, whatever you need to do here. Okay, you can go back in at any time and change any of that stuff, the font family, etc. So if I go ahead and preview this again, Control Enter, there we go. Fully functional now. Got a picture, some text. Click on it. Yep. And there you have it. So you've got your own custom, complete soundboard. Hope you guys have a lot of fun with this. Make it look as good as you can, okay? Fancy up the text. Make sure the buttons are centered. Really take your time. I cut some of this out as far as the quality is concerned so I could get through this tutorial in a prompt manner, but do take your time on this when you create your own custom soundboard and make it look good and have a lot of fun with it. We'll see you next time, guys.